Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you very nice flower arrangement. This one it will be different. I have over here very beautiful plates, dish. Sometimes we have it, we keep it for decoration. So what we do, or we have a beautiful crystal vase. I picked up today succulent plant, which everybody's seen it. I forgot the name again. And over here we have different kind of succulent flowers, which is really beautiful. Sometimes I trim them, clean them, but then I'll use them again. What do? I put them back into the ground and it starts new different plants for me, new different flower. We have plenty land, we can always use it. Now today, I'm going to put this thing away. Of course we need a pig flower, which is the pig, so you can put your plants down. So this will be a little bit too high for this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it. I just picked it up. You have to be very careful when you pick this plant. They have a lot of milk in it. In case if your hands get milky, do not rub your eyes. Make sure that you will wash it. I cut it and I kept it a little bit so all the milk will drip. Make sure you wash your hands and don't let the kids touch it because it's poisonous. But for the flower plants arrangement, it will be very, very beautiful. So let me put this down first so I can push this pretty strong. There we go. It looks already beautiful the way it is like this. So now I picked up those beautiful succulent plants over here. I was thinking, how can I decorate them from the top, from the down? And then I have some fern over here that I put. This is actually it's a pine tree, and I cut it from outside while I planted. I cut it so I can put some leaves in it. You can be very, very creative and you can decorate with any kind of leaves, flower, branches. I'm giving you idea. Of course, you can do any way you want it. There is no rule regulation, I always say. In cooking, in decorating or anything, it depends what your heart desire and whatever you like to do it. So it looks like already very beautiful with these leaves over here. This is the first time that I'm doing with this kind of pine tree branches, this kind, and I think we're gonna love it. It looks like it's very beautiful going with the fern. It's like a filler. Very nice. There you go. Look how beautiful it looks. And then we will keep some from the bottom. We can do this going down like this, or we can do it go up like this way. Like if you want to put the plants towards to you to see the flower, you can do to go down. So what it does, it goes down this way and down. Or no, if you can put it up and it will be all just one length. Now that, like I said, you do the way you want it, because now I don't need any taller. So I think that I will put this going down like this, and this will be the face of the plants towards to the on the table, facing to us. Look how beautiful it looks already without putting anything else. And I decided with this orange dish over here, the plates, because the plants, the succulent plants are very beautiful. It has a little bit reddish color, and with the burgundy color, it looks very nice with it. So I think we will cut those a little shorter. And I want to say, those succulent plants, you can, after you use it, you can put them back to the ground and it will give very nice roots for you. And it will make very beautiful plants any part of your garden. They will last for you forever. I have them on my sidewalk. I have them inside. And I really enjoy it. Sometimes people, they tell me like, how do you plant this? How does it grow? How come it grows nice? They really need lots of sun. They don't need too much water, but do not forget to water them sometimes. I wish we're living in California. I wish we had plenty water that we don't have to give at all, because succulent plants, they really drought plants they can survive very, very well. So we're gonna lower it a little bit so we can see and open it a little bit like this. There you go. I think because we're gonna face this way, I'm gonna put this a little bit higher. There you go. And we'll put maybe this a little bit here. Or I guess we will keep it maybe just the way it is. We will move them. Before that too, I want to say that always at the peak, there is a special gardening glue. They sell it like a rubber, like a gum. It's a stick. What you can do, you can put it so when you put your plants in a vase, it doesn't slip, it doesn't move. But now I'm just giving you a decoration, the design, that if you like to use it in your house, if you have it, it will be good. But just do that like the way over here. If you see, I can move it, I can bring it forward, backward. But if I stick under, it will stay better for me. So do that so it will last for you better that way. Now, this already itself like that, it's beautiful. So I'm gonna get a couple thin ones and make it a little short. Like I said, this is a moringa plant. It has a lot of nutrient seeds, but because I have too many, I don't waste them. I use them for any kind of way to use it, to cook it, to bake it, to decorate them, to do anything with it. When you have such a beautiful plants like this, don't let them go for waste. And they have a lot of seeds in it. You can always plant and it will grow for you. You really will enjoy this arrangement in the house. Let's see if we can put just a couple long leaves with it. I think it will give nice color on it. So if you have, make sure that your pig floor is big and it's glued under. I should get that and I should do that so you will see how beautiful. We don't want to fill too much. We need a little tiny ones, couple tiny more. And this is the way your little flower arrangement, let's see. I should get maybe a little longer stem and put one more here to stand up. It will look very, very beautiful. Let's add just a couple more little branch here. Of course, we're gonna fill water and it's gonna look beautiful like this. See. Here we go. It's such a light plant, it's such a light decoration arrangement. I hope you will like it. And if you have in your garden any kind of succulent plants, just pick them up and put it. They don't need too much water, but of course it's nice to give a little water. And when you get tired of it, or let's say if any leaves or anything dried, for example, they will last pretty long time. But in case if it dried, just take them, put them in a pot, in a plant or in a ground, and it will give you again new flowers, new plants, the succulent one. Well, I hope you like this plant, the arrangement. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel and like. And like I always say, I have a channel that it has a lot of videos. You can go to playlist and you can see all my arts and crafts and cooking and baking and building and fixing. You will get a lot of ideas from it. And I thank you very, very much. I'll see you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.